It's time to pay for the modules and payment services. If you have followed the steps of this course, trying to replicate the style of the Wild Animals app, you will have noticed that all the modules we have been adding are free. The only services you will have to pay for, if you selected them, are analytics and publication with your own ID. What do we find in the cart window? On the left side, you will have a payment summary where all the not free elements will appear. In addition, you will find the publication methods download app Android or download source code at zero cost if you choose one of these options. Prices will be divided by product category, modules, services, or styles. At the end of this list, you will find the final price of your app and the box indicating promotional code. If you have one of these, enter it and click Verify. You will see how the price of your app will be reduced depending on the code entered. We'd like to compensate you with a promotional code to try Google Analytics for free. If you didn't add it, go back to chapter 2.6 and remember how to enter it in your app. When it's set up correctly, go back to the cart window and enter the code I'm leaving you in the promotional code box below. Click Verify to check that the price has been reduced to 0. In the cart window, you still have to enter your personal data. If you didn't do it at the beginning, you will have to do it now. Click on Edit and complete the data requested in this window. Click on Save and Return. To be able to pay for the added items, click on the Buy with PayPal button to finish the payment process. You will be redirected to a window of the platform, where you will have to pay the requested amount. Once your accounts are settled, all you have to do is make sure that your app is ready to be accepted in the markets. In the next chapter, you will learn how to check the status of your application.